Hey everybody, what's up? This is Jason. This is my Lee Enfield number 4 Mark 1. Kind of custom made scope mount on it. I'll show you in a sec. See, I took the 1-inch scope mount and attached it to a 3/4 inch scope mount. So it's kind of rigged, but I'm going to test it out today. But yeah, it's a 1943 number 4 Mark 1. I mean, I like it. Alright, this will be a Lee Enfield bolt disassembly video. Alright, first what you need is a flathead screwdriver. I just use my Mosin tool. And then you're going to need a Lee Enfield SMLE bolt breakdown tool, which is just 2 prongs. My dad made this one. And then it's got to have a hole in it for the firing pin to go down in there. Okay. You got to remove the bolt, of course. Unscrew the bolt head. Bolt head's off. There's a screw right there. You got to take that off. Take that out. See, it's out. Next, you just use this tool, put it inside there, and it will unscrew very easily. Oh no, wait, you gotta decock it first. Sorry about that. And then it just screws off very easily, and it'll release. And then you have a very simple design. Just a screw or a spring, firing pin. You can see the little things you need the prongs to fit around. Here in a sec. See how it fits around through those? And then you just got this. And that's it. To reassemble it, you just put it back in. Put this on. Tighten the spring. Or not tighten the spring, but give it tension. And then just screw this back on. Tighten that. And it's going in. And then you just tighten it enough so it won't tighten anymore, and you gotta have it flush against that cocking mechanism, just like that. And then you can put your screw back in. Make sure the screw is snug, not over tightened. And you just put your bolt head back on. And make sure it's in that position right there. And then you just slide it right back in. And then it disassembled bolt, you just clean it thoroughly, and there there you go. Thanks for watching.